Luxury more than you think. Watch till end for the masterpiece on two wheels. From a very first glance, the Moots Routt RSL stuns with its titanium elegance and clean, purposeful design. Its brushed metal finish reflects precision craftsmanship, and the head tube features that iconic Moots badge, bold, refined, and timeless. The fork is carbon, sleek and sharp, made to slice through air and gravel alike. Everything about the front screams performance, yet it's packaged in an understated, luxurious shell. The internal cable routing keeps things ultra clean, giving a race-ready, uncluttered look. This is a front view that whispers speed and durability in the same breath. The geometry is aggressive but comfortable, a perfect blend for endurance and adventure. Handmade precision meets next-level comfort. Don't blink or you'll miss titanium magic. The saddle of the Moots Routt RSL isn't just about comfort. It's about all-day domination. It's ergonomically designed for long gravel rides, offering the perfect blend of firmness and cushion. Mounted atop a beautifully machined titanium seat post, it complements the frame's raw metallic finish. The welds here, like the rest of the bike, are flawless. Moots is known for this artisan-level attention to detail. Every line feels smooth, refined, and intentionally built for elite riders who don't compromise. Whether you're climbing, cruising, or pushing limits, this seat keeps you in command. Its form and function in perfect harmony. The cockpit is pure precision, simple, aerodynamic, and built to perform. The carbon handlebars are lightweight yet solid, dampening road chatter while offering total control. Wrapped in high-quality bar tape, the grip feels secure even during the longest, toughest rides. The routing remains hidden, giving a polished look that pairs beautifully with the titanium frame. Every component, from the stem to the bars, is selected to reduce fatigue and maximize ride feedback. Whether you're navigating gravel trails or cruising tarmac, these handlebars give you command without compromise. It's a rider's dream, sleek, purposeful, and made to last. Stop scrolling. World-class engineering ahead luxury that rides smoother than silk. This bike doesn't just go, it stops on a dime too. Equipped with powerful disc brakes, the Routt RSL offers confident control no matter terrain or weather. Whether you're descending a twisty mountain road or skimming loose gravel, these brakes give you unmatched modulation. The calipers are finely integrated into build, keeping the aesthetics clean and modern. You won't find unnecessary bulk, just precision performance and subtle elegance. The braking power is smooth, predictable, and built for endurance rides where reliability matters most. Moots didn't just give you performance, they gave you stopping power with flair. From the rear, the Moots Routt RSL exudes rugged class. The titanium seat stays and chain stays are sleek yet sturdy, engineered for both comfort and stiffness. The symmetry in the rear triangle reflects a balance of beauty and power. The disc rotor shines like a medallion of performance, and the minimal branding keeps things elegant. You'll notice the perfect weld lines even here, proof of the meticulous craftsmanship that Moots is famous for. Whether it's dust on the gravel or the glow of golden hour, this rear view belongs in a gallery. It's luxury you feel, even when you're riding behind. Titanium beasts in motion, built to crush gravel, glide like silk. When seen from the side, the Moots Routt RSL stands tall as a true marvel of minimalist design. The titanium frame glows with matte sheen, its smooth curves and sharp lines drawing admiration from riders and onlookers alike. The geometry strikes a fine balance between speed and stability, making it ideal for both adventure seekers and gravel racers. Even the decals are understated. Moots lets the craftsmanship speak louder than logos. You can spot the tire clearance that allows for wide gravel tires, ready to tackle anything you throw at it. It's a side profile that turns heads, and then never leaves a memory. The wheels on the Routt RSL are pure performance wrapped in elegance. Typically outfitted with premium carbon or alloy rims, these wheels are tubeless ready and built to endure punishment while maintaining lightness. The hub spins smoothly and silently, built to withstand countless miles of challenging terrain. Whether it's chunky gravel or smooth pavement, these wheels roll with buttery grace. Paired with wide, grippy tires, the bike stays planted and agile even on sketchy routes. The spokes are finely tensioned for responsiveness, giving each pedal stroke a direct, satisfying response. They're not just wheels, they're extensions of precision engineering. That was the Moots Routt RSL, a true titanium titan crafted for those who demand both adventure and elegance. Every weld, every curve, every ride screams premium performance. If you love luxury that performs as hard as it looks, this is the ride for you. Stay tuned for more luxury content. Hit subscribe and ride into perfection.